Dear students and viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I welcome you all in my YouTube channel Z Chemistry. I am Sheikh Zul Islam, teacher of High School Shanu, and today we are going to discuss about the next topic from the Z chapter. Let's start with our topic. Today's topic is about female reproductive system. कल हमने male reproductive system पढ़ा, तो आज जो topic है, it is about female reproductive system. In case of female reproductive system, there are four main organs. One is ovary. Ovary is basically, it is a pair of organs. Ovaries, oviducts, pair of oviducts, uterus, a single organ, and vagina. These are the four important organs of female reproductive system. Here a simple diagram I have made. This is ovary. These are the pair of ovaries, one on the right hand side, another on the left hand side. These ovaries are the source of the eggs. We can state that the eggs are produced in these particular organs after every when the female it goes in the age of maturity, that is in the teenage or adolescent age. These ovaries, they start producing eggs. Then there is a tube, there is a duct from which these eggs or these ova, they find their way, and they go into the uterus. Then uterus is that part of it's also called as the womb. It is that part of the female reproductive system where the process of fertilization occurs and where the development of the embryo occurs, or where the development of the baby occurs. Then there is vagina. Vagina is the point of sexual intercourse. During sexual intercourse or during mating period, male it injects its penis into this vagina, and from where this sperms or semen that travel into the uterus where the fertilization occurs. That is the brief introduction about these female reproductive system. First of all, we will start with the ovaries. As I am mentioning it, you hear that these ovaries, they are pair in number. These ovaries actually, they produce eggs, or they produce ova, or they produce ovum. When adolescent age begins, or when mature age begins, or when teenage begins, female, they start producing eggs, and these eggs they travel through this oviduct into the vagina. Usually before sexual intercourse, what happens there, when this eggs, it goes through this oviduct and it comes in this uterus. Usually there is no contact of this ova with this sperm, and after about the period of 1 month, this ova it comes along with certain blood through this vagina. That period is called as the menopause, or we usually call it as the menstruation cycle. And this cycle, it comes after every 1 month or after every 28 days, and these eggs, they find their way from each ovary, they find their way into the uterus through a duct or through a channel that is called as the oviduct, or it is also called as the fallopian tube. There is basically a funnel. A funnel is there, which actually we can say that it ensures the selective transfer of these ova from this ovary into the uterus. it is a funnel of the oviduct. Funnel of the oviduct. It is the, or we can state it is the opening of this oviduct. And through this oviduct, these ova they go into the uterus. And uterus, in uterus, what happens there? When sexual intercourse occurs, these sperms they come in contact with this ova, and that process is called as fertilization. And this fertilization, it results in the formation of the zygote. Uterus, it is also called as a womb, and in this womb, what happens? Development of the baby or development of the child occurs. Besides this, there occurs a sort of canal. That canal gets attached with the walls of this uterus and with the body of this newborn baby. That is called as placenta. This placenta actually it ensures the eukaryote transfer of minerals or nutrients for the development of this baby. And besides this, any unwanted substance, any unwanted chemicals which are present in this baby, they get away from the baby into the placenta, whereby they are secreted through the body of the this mother, then outside. Then there is vagina. Vagina is that part of the female reproductive system during which this male it injects it interferes it enters its penis into it, whereby ejaculation occurs, and sperms they travel through this cervix into the uterus, whereby the process of fertilization occurs or the formation of the new baby occurs. So this was these are the certain important organs of the female reproductive system. This was all about today's topic. Have a nice day.